Let's start our today's lecture. Before starting the lecture, there are some rules for the online class. I hope you can see the screen. The rules are you have to be punctual and ready to learn, mute your microphones when you are not speaking, raise your virtual hands when you need to speak, and keep your cameras on and stay focused. In the previous lectures, we have started our chapter number 6, that was financial transactions. I give you the brief. I have already given you the brief in introduction about discount, profit, loss, sales price, cost price. Now I just need to know the formulas to find some of the values. I will ask you from one by one. I will ask from you one by one the formulas to find the different transactions. First of all, Ibrahim Shams, can you tell me the formula to find the profit?
Find profit.
How you calculate profit? How do you know that you are in the profit?
Ma'am, selling price multiply minus cost price.
Sales price minus the cost price is known as always the profit. Okay, Hamza Durrani. Hamza Durrani, unmute yourself and tell me the formula to find the loss.
Loss is equals to cost price minus sales price.
Cost price minus the sales price. Muhammad Shamir, can you tell me the formula to find the profit percentage?
Ma'am, profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100.
Multiply 100, yes. Now, Uzair, unmute yourself. Tell me the formula to find the loss percentage.
Loss percentage. मैम basically loss को 100 से multiply करना है.
What?
मैम मतलब percentage जो निकले loss की.
Hamza Hussain, can you tell me the loss percentage formula? How to calculate the loss percentage?
Ma'am, loss divided by cost price multiplied by 100.
What if he have given us the question that calculate the loss on the sales price? Then what will be the formula?
Loss divided by sale price multiplied by 100.
Yes, loss divided by sales price multiply 100%. Whatever he have given us, he said if he will say that find the profit percentage on the sales price, then we have to divide the profit with the sales price. Or if he is given us the find the loss on the sales price, then divide the loss with the sales price. Now coming towards the question, we have already done the practice worked example. Now coming towards the practice now 1C, which is on the page 183. Practice now 1C, page 183. Practice now 1C, page 183, question 1 and 2. We have to complete the whole practice now so that I can give you the homework of the questions 1 of exercise 6A and the question number 2. That two questions will be your homework. I will show you the last slide that was of the question slide. Okay, meanwhile, as you people have opened your book, practice now 1C, page 183. I'm going to read the question number 1. The question is, a bicycle which cost PKR 18,000 is sold for 24,000. Express the profit as a percentage of the cost price. Anyone who can do this question, please raise your hands. Anyone, please raise your hands. Yes, Hamza. Hamza Hussain.
Ma'am, first we will minus 24,000 minus 18. Then after
24,000.
that,
Just a second. 24,000 minus 18,000. This will be the formula to find profit. How you knew it that this will be in the profit? Because cost price is 18,000 and the sales price is 24,000. What will be the answer? The answer is 6,000. That will be our profit. Now, Hamza, what we have to do?
Ma'am, now we will divide our profit, which is 6,000, and divide it by 18,000.
We have to calculate profit percent. I will simply say 6,000 divided by, Hamza Durani, don't do that. 6,000 divided by
18,000 multiplied by 100.
18,000 multiply 100. Now the calculations are very simple. 3 zeros cut, 3 zeros cut. The answer will be 600 over 18. Now if we solve it out, the answer is 33.33%. This is the answer of profit percentage. Is this clear to everyone? If it is not clear, then please raise your hands that how we have calculated the profit percent. Yes, Nisar.
मैम मुझे नहीं मैम समझ आया
What?
मैम ये प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज मैम से आगे
Profit percentage, there is a formula to find the profit percentage. Can you tell me the formula to find the profit percentage?
मैम प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज इक्वल्स कॉस्ट नहीं प्रॉफिट डिवाइडेड बाय cost price multiplied by 100.
Yes, what I have done. Profit, the profit was of 6,000, right?
Yes.
Divided by the cost price, that was 18,000, right? Multiply 100. Clear?
Sure.
Now, I just cut down the 3 zeros of 6,000 and 3 zeros of 18,000. What left? 600 over 18. When I divide both the figures, the answer is 33.33%. Is this clear now?
Yes.
Okay. Now you can do this, or else I have to remove it. Can I remove this? Have you done this? Okay. Now coming towards the question number 1, part number B. An antique chest which cost 6,000 is sold for 5,000. Express the loss as a percentage of the selling price. He already given us that this is the loss on the antique chest. How we have calculated, how we are going to calculate the loss percentage of the selling price as a percentage of the selling price. We knew it that if he has given us that calculate the loss on the selling price, then we have to divide the question with the selling price. We knew it that loss is equals to sales price minus the cost price. Sorry, cost price minus the sales price. Loss is equals cost price minus the sales price. The cost price is 6,000 minus the sales price, which is 5,000. We knew it that the loss is of rupees 1,000. Is this clear? Now we have to calculate the loss percentage as a percentage of selling price. The formula is very simple. Loss is equals to loss percent is equals to loss over sales price times 100%. Now, what we need to do, the loss is of 1,000, sales price is 5,000, multiply 100. Cut the zeros, cutting 5 ones are and 5 20 100. The answer is very simple, 20%. Loss percent is equals to 20%. If you feel any difficulty related to this question, you can raise your hands. Nisar, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Hamza Hussain, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hamza Dorani, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Musa Usman. Okay. Shamir,
Yes, ma'am.
is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Alian Adil,
Yes, ma'am.
what about the girls? Girls, if you feel any difficulty, you can raise your hands. Okay, can I remove this? I will share this recorded lecture. Don't worry. Okay. Now, coming towards the question number 2, which is already a very simple question. The question is a gold chain which costs rupees 1,12,000 is sold at a profit of 27% on the cost price. Find its selling price. Anyone who can do this question? Anyone who can do this question, please raise your hands. Here we need to calculate the profit first and then we need to calculate the sales price. Anyone, please raise your hands. No one? Okay, see this. He said that the gold chain cost price is 1,12,000. The gold chain cost price is 1,12,000 is sold at a profit of 27%. Just a second. Just a second. Yes, Musa Usman.
मैम जो 1,12,000 की प्राइस है उसको हम मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे 0.27 से और उसके बाद क्या नाम है जो वैल्यू आएगी वो है 3240 सब अगर चेक करने दे 3240 हाँ और जो 3240 है फिर हम उसके बाद सेलिंग प्राइस का वो लगाएंगे फॉर्मूला उसमें होता है कॉस्ट प्राइस प्लस प्रॉफिट तो कॉस्ट प्राइस हमें क्या मतलब प्रॉफिट हमें आ रहा है 3240 और कॉस्ट प्राइस इसकी फिर 1,12,000 थी तो उन दोनों
Okay.
को प्लस कर देंगे
Okay, yes. Now I have to solve this question as Musa already told us. We have to calculate the profit first. The profit percent is equals to profit over cost price multiply 100%, right? This percent and this percent will be cut down. First of all, now the profit percent means 27%. Percent was already cut down. We have to calculate the profit divided by the cost price. Cost price is 1,12,000. Is this clear? Times 100. Now the calculations are very simple. Two zeros are cut down with this 100. What left? 27 multiply 1120, that is equals to our profit. And this profit will be equal to 30,240, that is equals to profit. Once we have done with the profit, we need to calculate the sales price, and we knew it that when we add cost price in our profit, we will be having the sales price. Is this clear? When we add the profit in the cost price, our sales price will be there. So the profit is 30240 plus the cost price, which is 1,12,000, that is equals to sales price. And the answer is 142240, that is sales price. Yes, Hamza Durani.
मैम हम इस तरह कर सकते थे कि प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल्स टू जो प्रॉफिट की कॉस्ट आती है उसको डिवाइडेड बाय 100 करके मल्टीप्लाई बाय जो अमाउंट है 1,12,000 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, इस तरह हो सकता है।
Can you solve it?
एक मिनट मैम।
Hamza, you can send this question later on after the class. Okay, after the class, send this question to me with the method you are already discussing. Okay. Okay, now the next part is a car which costs 78,400 is sold at a loss of 6% on the cost price. Find the selling price. The question is very simple. We first calculate the loss, then we will be having our sales price. We knew it that the loss percent is equals to loss over the cost price multiply 100%. Now the loss percent is 6%, that is equals to loss over the cost price, which is 78,400 into 100%. This percent and this percent will be cut down. These two zeros will be cut down with this 6 multiply 784, that is equals to our loss. And this loss is equals to 4704. Now we have to calculate the sales price, and sales price is equals to 78,400 minus 4704, and the answer is 73696. I hope this will also be clear to you. If you feel any difficulty, you can just raise your hands. We just need to know the three formulas: profit percent, loss percent, how to calculate the sales price, how to calculate the profit simple, and how to calculate the cost price. Yes, Uzair?
मैम सेल्स प्राइस को फाइंड करने के लिए हम माइनस क्यों कर रहे हैं और कॉस्ट प्राइस को फाइंड करने के लिए हम ऐड क्यों कर रहे हैं?
How to calculate the sales price?
जी हम सब्ट्रैक्ट क्यों कर रहे हैं? तो यहाँ पे
Why we are subtracting? Because the formula to find the loss, how to calculate the loss, cost price minus sales price. This is the formula to find the loss. Is this so, Uzair?
यस मैम.
Then what we have loss and the cost price. We need to calculate the sales price. Clear?
Yes.
I just substitute the values. I will say sales price, when coming towards the left hand side, it will become positive. So the
Okay.
formula will become cost price minus loss. Now is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now the question number exercise 6A, sorry, practice now 1C page 183. We have completed this exercise. If you can see, you can easily solve question number 1 part A to D and question number 2. I'm just giving you 2 parts homework, question number 1 part A to D and question number 2 from the exercise 6A will be your homework. If you feel any difficulty while solving the questions, you can ask me anytime. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm going to end the meeting. Still, if you feel any difficulty related to the lecture, you can ask me anytime. Yes, Nisar, what is the question?
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1A पार्ट 2D और क्वेश्चन 2 का क्या?
Question number 2.
पूरा?
Yes, there is only a one question. Okay. This will be your home task. Oh, okay. Right now, take care. Allah. Yes, Fatma. Yes, Fatma.
मैम हम बुक पे कर सकते हैं क्वेश्चन
No,
नंबर 1?
no, you cannot do this on the book, as question number 1, part A to D
ओके
will
मैम
be on your notebooks. There are a lot of calculations. Okay. Okay. Take care. Allah Hafiz.